Imagine this. It's 60 days from now, and your life has completely transformed. The bank account you used to glance at with frustration now brings a smile to your face. Your dreams of freedom, security, and success are finally within reach. But what if I told you this reality isn't as far away as it seems? What if in just 2 months you could rewrite your story and step into a life you never thought possible? Sounds unbelievable, right? Keep watching, because what I'm about to share might just be the key you've been searching for. But here's the thing. This journey isn't for the faint of heart. If you're looking for easy money, you've come to the wrong place. What I'm about to reveal requires grit, strategy, and unwavering focus. The question is, are you ready? The mindset shift. Everything starts here. The wealthy don't just work hard, they think differently. The world might tell you that getting rich fast is impossible, that it's reserved for the lucky few. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about belief. Right now, your mind might be full of doubts. What if I fail? What if this doesn't work for me? Push those thoughts aside. You need to replace them with affirmations. I can do this. I am capable of building wealth. Remember, every millionaire you know once stood where you are right now, unsure but determined to take the leap. This is your first challenge. Train your mind to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Because if your mind isn't ready, the rest of the steps won't matter. Step 2, discover your hidden talent. This is where things get exciting. Think about it. Everyone has a skill, a passion, or a strength. But most people let it go to waste, not you. Your mission is to uncover what you're naturally good at. Maybe it's something obvious like writing, designing, or speaking, or maybe it's something hidden like your ability to connect with people or solve problems. If you don't know what your talent is yet, take a moment to think. What do people often praise you for? What's something you could do for hours without getting tired? That's your hidden weapon. Once you've found it, the next step is to monetize it. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are filled with opportunities to turn your talent into income. The world is looking for what you have to offer. You just need to put yourself out there. Step 3, start a side hustle. This is where your journey begins to take shape. Look around you. People are making money every day by selling products, offering services, and solving problems. And the best part, you don't need a huge investment to get started. Consider this. Could you start an online store, teach a skill, or even flip items for a profit? Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, digital products, all of these are proven methods to generate income quickly. The key is to focus on one thing and master it. Don't spread yourself too thin. Remember, the first sale is just the beginning. Use the momentum to scale your hustle. In these 2 months, consistency will be your secret weapon. Step 4, leverage social media. In today's world, social media isn't just for scrolling, it's a goldmine of opportunities. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube can turn you into a brand, and brands make money. Start by sharing valuable content related to your skill or hustle. Teach people, entertain them, or solve their problems. The more you give, the more you'll receive. And don't forget the power of virality. A single video or post can change everything. Think of social media as your stage. Perform well and the audience will reward you. Step 5, invest wisely. Now that you're earning, it's time to make your money work for you. But here's the catch. Not all investments are created equal. Research is critical. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate can all offer high returns, but only if you know what you're doing. Spend time learning. Follow experts. And remember, the best investments are the ones that grow over time. You don't need to be a financial genius, just someone willing to take calculated risks. In 2 months, your small investments could become the seed of something much bigger. Are you ready to take the leap? Step 6, build your network. They say your network is your net worth, and they're absolutely right. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. Attend events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The right connection could open doors you didn't even know existed. Remember, success isn't a solo journey. Build alliances and you'll climb faster. And there you have it. 6 steps to transform your life in just 2 months. It won't be easy and it won't happen overnight. But if you commit to this path, stay focused, and refuse to give up, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The question is, are you ready to take the first step? The clock is ticking. Your journey to wealth starts now. If you found this video valuable, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with the first step you're going to take. And remember, success is waiting, but only for those brave enough to chase it. See you in the next video.